All right, next step after you have cut your 35 long and 30 short struts is to start on the base. Uh, the first step here is talking about doing the actual outside perimeter base and then these upper two pieces that come into it. But I have found that you need to do the outside base first and wait an hour to let it dry, let the glue dry. Otherwise, the pipe cleaners pull out of the struts, and you don't want that. So, in your kits, you have long and short twisty ties, and so off the bat, you're going to need 10 long ones. So go ahead and count off 10 long ones. 10. And what you're going to do with each one of these is basically you fold it in half, making sure it's even, and twist it a little bit. You don't have to twist it a whole lot, just twist it a little bit. And you want to do that 10 times. Now these twisty ties, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be going inside of the struts and hold the thing together. You'll be putting glue inside the struts and putting them together. If when you are twisting these together, the end is kind of loopy and sticking out, what's going to happen, the one side will go in easily, but when you put the other side in, sometimes it kind of gets stuck. So just make sure that these ends are twisted together nicely. All right, and then once you have 10 of those, you're going to take a look at your directions again. And on your directions, you have this angle. And that angle is the correct angle for doing the dome. And what you want to do is just kind of carefully sit down and bend those about at that angle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it kind of close and bend it at those angles. All right? And you're going to do that 10 times. All right? So then comes the fun part of starting to hook together your pieces. You're going to need 10 long struts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think my assistant is going to help very soon. We have a little kitten who's going to get in the way, I think. So we have 10 of those and 10 of these. And so in your kit, you have some glue. And so what you're going to do to hook these together is, let's see if we can get this to work on the camera. You're just going to put just a little bit of glue inside that hole. You're going to take your twisty tie and slide it in there. You're going to take another one, put some glue in there, spin it around, put a little bit of glue right inside that hole, and put another one on there. Easy peasy. Then you're going to go to the next one, a little bit of glue, twisty tie, move it around just a little bit. Next one. I spin it just a little bit to get the glue kind of on the side of the hole. Slide it on. Make sure you have 10 of these things. A little bit of glue. Twisty tie. A little bit of glue. Slide it in. And you're going to do that 10 times to make one complete loop. And after that is done, let it sit and rest for about an hour to dry because you don't want those to really come out. And you do want to have a little bit of space in these actually, because we're going to have to put another twisty tie on there. So leave just a little bit of space inside of each one of these things, because we'll be putting another twisty tie on there. Do one more here. And around. And make one large 10-sided shape. All right.